Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content here on YouTube. They're the kind of videos you love to watch, and please hit that subscribe button down below. Today I am showing you and using in a tutorial the new I Heart Revolution Affirmation palettes. Now, if my eye will stop going funny, this is the second time I've filmed this intro because the first time it just, I don't know, something went off with the intro. So all I need to do is show you these bad boys. These are £7. Can you believe it? So they are affirmation palettes, so they all have like a little quote type thing on there. So this is called I Am Enough. This is what it looks like on the inside. Very peachy. Then we've got I Choose Me, and it looks like this, very neutrally. I love it. My favorite out of all of them is I Am Limitless. Look at that. This is the one that I end up choosing to use in the video, but it's got all the star signs on the front. I just love it. Lastly, we've got Reminder, Be Yourself, which just looks like that, very pinky. I have got a TikTok showing all these palettes, but in the next clip you're going to see me swatch them, so let's just get into it. That is the swatches for I Am Limitless. I love it, I really do. It is kind of hard to swatch just because of the pan sizes. Like, they're literally like not even half the size of one of my fingers, so really hard to swatch, but it swatched amazing. And this is I Am Enough. This is kind of more my color story, but I'm gonna jump out of my comfort zone and use the blue palette. But this is what I've been wearing lately, is more oranges and browns. On this side we've got Reminder, Be Yourself. Doesn't it look really nice? I did struggle with this shade here, but I do think that's just meant to be a sheer shade. So that's this palette here. Out of the two, this must be my favorite. This is called I Choose Me. Can you see why I love that one? That first dusky pink shade. Again, I struggled with the third kind of shimmery shade here, but again, I think they're just meant to be sheer. They're not the most pigmented palettes, but it's not that terrible. So let's put some eye base on and play with these palettes. Let's give you a close-up of my face, shall we? Okay, obviously going to use this palette here, which is called I Am Limitless. I love it because of all the star signs on the front there. But let's do it. I don't know what we're doing, but we're doing it. I know what we're doing. We're going to go in with this purple here called Endless Potential, because guys, you do have endless potential, remember that. And it's so kickbacky. I've got crumbs everywhere. There's no mirror, so I'll be looking down here, sorry. Then I'm going to go in with No Dream Is Too Big to blend out the edges. It seems lighter. No. Let's go in the crease with this a bit. Now let's go in with Magnet of Miracles in the outer corner. Deepen it up. Fucking hell, that is bloody pigmented. On the lid, I want to go in with that silver called I Am Resilient. That should be my bloody middle name with everything that I've gone through in my lifetime. Resilience. Everyone goes, oh Liz, you've built up a lot of resilience. Yeah, I've bloody had to. Alright, let's see. Oh, didn't know if this, yeah, silver does go with purple, to be fair. Ooh, gorgeous. So let me just do the other eye off camera and then we'll come back and, you know, do a little more. Rest of my base is on. Now let's do an inner corner and brow bone highlight, because I always forget to do that. And I want to go in with this yellow gold because it's a me shade. It's called Be the Light. Nice. So my little sister has actually joined me. She's colouring in, so if you do hear that in the background, sorry. However, I am now finished with the look. I'm really impressed with this little palette. Very pigmented. Even though the swatches for some of these palettes weren't too great on my hand, they were perfect for my lid. This palette is actually my favourite. When I looked online and saw them drop, this one is the one I lean towards. £7, not too bad, and they're just like the size of my hand, and I have a really fat hand. Which palette is your favourite? I definitely have a favourite, and I hope you did enjoy this video. Please smash it huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!